What's up everybody, Sami here. I've already posted the another camera comparisons of the three. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch it. And it's even on the first page of the #1 tech media in Russian, alright? And I'm so proud of that. And this is the daytime. And by the way, please subscribe. Help me get 90k subscribers. That would be awesome. And special thanks to Top for sending the three phones for reviewing. Check out the website if you are interested. Let's get started.走，继续，快一点。OK， 走。走，最快的速度。对，走，走起，走，继续，最快的速度。Okay. Hey, what's up, everybody? Sami here. So the front camera. So 4K 30 for the OnePlus, 4K 60 for the Xiaomi Pro, and 1080 60 for the vivo X100 Pro. So, as you can see, the light is not that bad, right? So, it's all good. I'm riding the bike, I'm testing the bike. As you know, it's very cold in China. Ayo, fuyo, too cold. You can see my hands. Alright, so alright, that's my cameraman. And alright, let's test to see the selfie camera. Everything's good as always. The Xiaomi looks really bad because the sky got totally blown out. OnePlus is also bad, and I can also see very shaky. And vivo got the best sky, best overall looking. OnePlus seems a little bit too plain, you know. You look plain means not vivid. All the three looks not that good. The face got I think. Can I see clear, right? I cannot secure the image, my face, you know, the backlight, and the sky got totally blown out for all the three. I think for Vivo it looks a little bit better, but not that better, you know. So in this struggling, in this extreme situation, uh, just not that great, just not that great. Okay, for all three, I don't understand why you would take selfie videos in such, you know, backlight situation. Okay, so if I run, okay. Okay, now front light. This looks much more comfortable, right? You can see clear my face, the blue sky. All looks good. But I don't know for OnePlus, like why the screen like looks so dark. I think for Xiaomi 14 Pro is like has the best, most natural image face. For Vivo, it can get like yellowish. Not that good. For OnePlus, always too dark. Always too dark. Okay. And all right. And this is the stabilization. I think Xiaomi has the best, right? OnePlus has the worst. Okay. All right, zoom test. So here first the vivo X100 Pros. Just a second. So that's ultra wide, and the one man. 1, 2, 3, 0.5, 4.3, 5.2, 6.2, 6.6, 7, 7.8, 8, and 10. So this is 10. Well, for the OnePlus, okay, this is the main camera. You cannot just switch to the ultra wide. So here 1.4, 1.6, 2.1, 3.3, 5.2, and 6. Okay, it supports max 6, you know, times zoom. So I can see if you compare with Vivo. Oh gosh, there's no need to compare. I can see so much difference from the screen. Oppo, you know, no, OnePlus is got so noisy, so grainy, so unclear. Okay, now for the Xiaomi 14 Pro. Again, you cannot switch to ultra wide. So 1.2, 1.5, 1.7, 2.1, 2.4, 2.9, 3.6, and 4.4, 5, 6 times. Okay, it's also 6 times, you know, the same as OnePlus 12. So if I compare with the OnePlus, I guess Xiaomi got a little bit better for brighter image, for clearer image, but obviously Vivo wins for all, you know. And 10 times, even at 10 times, looks much better than the other two. So yeah, Vivo is like nearly killed like in every aspect right now. And this is the front. Look at this one. And this is like the front light. Now I'm going to test the back light. Okay. 1, 2, 2.9, 4.6, 5.12, okay, 6.6, and 10 times. Okay, 10 times. And for OnePlus, 2, 3.7, 5.5, and 6 times. Wow, I can see, though the sun looks really clear because I just pointed this way. You know, Vivo looks much better. I can see even the color of the ore, it's yellow, right? But no, nothing on for OnePlus. All right, 1.3, 1.9, 2.5, 2.9, 3.5, and 4.9, and 6 times. Okay, so, and that is the, you know, the backlight situation. Wow, I can see so much detail for the Vivo even at this extreme light condition. Okay, let's just move the camera a little bit so you can see the huge difference between the three. I can even see the wire, you know, the air conditioner wire, but on OnePlus it's not that clear. Okay, and that is the zoom test. Wow, so much detail for Vivo. Anyway, let's, okay, and that's it.
还拍着。